Hello everyone, welcome and welcome back to another video, guys. Yes, we are almost there. We have just 2 days or maybe one to go. Yeah, I don't know when this video will be going up, but I know we are there already. So thank you so much for following along. Thank you for watching all of the videos that I've been posting. Thank you so much. Without you guys, this wouldn't have been possible. So today we are making pound cake. Okay, this is my famous pound cake. Like, you can't go wrong. It doesn't go wrong at all. Okay, just follow the process, which is very simple, by the way. For this, I use 6 whole eggs. Okay, both the yolk, the white, you want to use everything. Then I added 1 cup of sugar to that. I'm going to mix this. Yeah, I'm going to mix this until I get a pale or fluffy texture. You are going to see how this is going to come up. So you want to mix for in high speed for like 7 to 10 minutes. Okay, you really want this to come out looking fluffy. If you use maybe a stand mixer, it's going to come out looking better, but hand mixer also do the work as well, like you can see. We are almost there as at now, but we are still not there yet because this is going to come out whiter than it's looking already. So you really want to mix, like I mentioned before, you want to mix on high speed. Okay, so I'm using my old hand mixer and this is actually doing the work. So this pound cake is really nice. Okay, it's very nice. It comes out fluffy, it comes out in a very good and friendly texture, and it's really nice. You really want to try it. So yeah, I think for now we are good. I'm going to proceed to, like, you can see the changes. Okay, this is just the sugar and the egg well mixed. You can see the changes, like the fluffiness and everything. It's just looking good, and now we are good to go. So I'm going to set this aside, and in a dry bowl I'm going to add my 2 cups of flour, 2 tablespoons of baking powder, and half teaspoon of baking soda. So these 3 ingredients, I'm going to mix the 3 together, which is my dry ingredients. Okay, so I'm going to add all of that and mix them very well. So I'll be introducing all of these dry ingredients into the wet ingredients, which is the egg and sugar mix. Okay, so as soon as I do that, I will also add my melted butter. The melted butter is half cup. Okay, so you just want to put your margarine in a bowl or in a stainless plate, put hot water beneath it, and then it just comes out melted. So that's the simplest way to melt your margarine or your butter. Okay, so yeah, these are the dry ingredients. I'm just going to give it a very good mix just to get everything well combined. If you are the type that sieve your flour, you can just put this all in a sieve and sieve it right into your mix. Okay, so yeah, this is it, and I'm just going to introduce it into the wet ingredient now. So the next thing you want to do is to mix this for very few seconds, say 5 to 7 or 5 to 10 seconds. So you can see I added the melted butter immediately. Okay, so I'm just going to give this a quick mix on high speed. Okay, just for 5 to 7 seconds, just to get the flour in there. Okay, so yeah, after doing that, I'm going to stop this from rolling and I'm going to continue using my spatula. Okay, so yeah, when you're using your spatula, just fold in and get this well mixed. Like, everything should be right in there, looking good and all. And that's basically all for the mixing process. Yeah, you can see how I'm mixing this. Okay, you're just going to be folding until all of the white part is gone and you are getting an even look. Everything should be looking the same. No part should be white, no part should be yellow. Everything should just be looking the same. So yeah, that's all for the mixing. By this time, my pan or my takeaway plate, which is the foil plate I'm using, is well ready. Okay, so I've already like add my vegetable oil or butter in there, add some flour, and I've already dusted it out. So it's time for me to add my butter into the foil pack. Okay, so the advantage of using foil pack is, man, you don't need to wash any pan, you don't need to wash pan. And also it's good for business purpose, because of course it's good to serve your clients in it, and just maybe use a glass nylon to pack. So yeah, I'm going to continue doing this. I actually serve this in three foil packs. Okay, I serve this in three foil pack. So now that I'm done adding all of that to the foil plate, I'm going to just go a little bit extra. I'm adding this chocolate I have at home. I'm going to add it to one of these, and then I'm going to add raisins to the other. But for the third one, I'm going to leave it plain. Okay, so I just want different variants this time. Yeah, so that's it, that's all. I'm just going to take this to the oven and bake away. So guys, after baking, this is what we end up with. You can see how beautiful this looks. Like, it's so tasty, it's fluffy, it's nice, it's everything in one. And you can see the process is very simple. There's no complicated ingredients added. It's just all of the basics. Okay, and this is very good. So if you're a cake lover, instead of spending your money buying cakes, you can just go ahead and make this at home. You can enjoy, like, just put in your refrigerator. You can always have cake to munch on. This is very good, guys. Like, I'm going to like bring one out from the foil plate so you can see what it looks like. See how clean this is. Look, just see. This is good, this is nice. And this is another advantage I have in using foil plate to bake. It comes out really nice and clean. So I'm going to give this a cut so you see what the inside looks like. You can see how smooth the knife is going. Like, it's so good. Seriously, if you'll be trying this, just let me know in the comment section. Let me know. I really want you guys to try it because it tastes really nice. So guys, see now, see how fluffy it is. Let me press it for you. See how fluffy. This is still very, very hot. Imagine you munching on this hot cake. So this is what it looks like. It's really nice. It's worth trying, guys. It's worth it. So cake lovers, this is for you, dedicated to you. Go ahead, go into the world and explore. Okay, just go and explore. Make yourself happy with this delicious cake. Yeah, so this is a close look at how moist, how delicious this looks. It's really nice. You can go ahead and add any toppings of your choice. You can add more chocolate chips if you have them. Yeah, so this is what it looks like. So let me know if this is a good recipe for you to try. It's really nice. All right, till next time, thank you for watching my videos. Thank you. Please don't forget to leave me a comment, like, and subscribe. Bye.
I no go stop, I no go settle. My light is never gonna die.